Alright, class. On compte sous katreven. Nous pral compter sous katreven. Nous pral compter rive dans katreven. We're gonna count until 80. We're gonna count until 80. You ready? I know you are. On compte. On fait ça. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Let's do it again. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now, last time I'm going to read it, but this time I want you to read it from the screen and read it at the same time as I'm saying it, okay? And then until you master it. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. All right, good job. Now, what do you see there? It says, number 2 says what? Écris ça ou tendez. Écris ça ou tendez. So, that means we're back to dictation. It's saying, write what you hear. Write what you hear. Okay? Écris ça ou tendez. Écris ça ou tendez kounye. You ready? Get your piece of paper and pen or pencil. Ready? Let's go. You're gonna write what you hear. Here we go. Mwen reme l'école. Mwen reme l'école. Mais mwen pa gen kob pou mwen kontinye l'école la. Ki sa mwen dwe fe? Mwen pa vle prete kob nan men bank. Mwen ap dwe 3 kob. Now I'm gonna go slowly, okay? Don't worry, I'm gonna go slowly for you now. Mwen reme l'école. Mwen reme l'école. Mais mwen pa gen kob pou mwen kontinye l'école la. Ki sa mwen dwe fe? Mwen pa vle prete kob nan men bank. Mwen ap dwe 3 kob. That is it. Now I'm going to read the whole thing again. Now a little faster. And you check your work to see if you got everything. Here it goes. Mwen reme l'école. Mais mwen pa gen kob pou mwen kontinye l'école la. Ki sa mwen dwe fe? Mwen pa vle prete kob nan men bank. Mwen ap dwe 3 kob. Alright? Now let me just translate that for you. I love school, but I do not have money to continue with school. What do I have to do? I do not want to take a loan from the bank. I will owe too much money. That was it, and that was lesson 10. Review everything, take your time, and master them. See you next time. Peace.